all know she's staying up all year round. But what I'm about to do, I'm going to remove the garland. These type of things are going to stay. I'm going to convert it to my Valentine's Day tree. I have some items from last year, because last year that was my Valentine's Day tree. It was nice and short, you know, the small one. But I'm going to leave that one how it is because the garland on there is pink. All I need to do is just take off the bulbs to take away the Christmas effect. These are staying on there. That's why I didn't want traditional ornament. And then this is, you know, that's Valentine's Day inspired. And then I have something underneath here. So I just have to put all my stuff on there, but you guys should see the Valentine's Day tree. If not tonight, then you will see it tomorrow. But right now we are going to pick us a pair of nails. So let's go with, we're gonna go with these. I just got out the shower and I thought it was something I always do that I would share with you guys. One, I always wash my bonnet. But in between washes, I spray it with my hair perfume. This one is by Pink Sugar. I got this in a gift set with the matching perfume last year. But I love this. It smells really good. So, and you see, you don't need a lot. But I always spray it to the back of my wigs when I'm wearing them. Especially if you're in between washes. And when you're coloring up at night, you know, just make sure your bonnet is nice and fresh. But I drop my bonnets. Number one, I have more than one. But number two, I drop them in the wash 1 to 2 times a week. All right, just wanted to share that. Let me go drop off my dirty clothes. And I'm going to get in bed with my MacBook and edit the video for you guys. All right, see y'all later. I'm going to put my Apple Watch to charge. And my phone I'll be using. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. It is hump day. And we survived the tornado warning. There was lots and lots of wind last night. And, oh, sorry, guys. Trying to, lots of rain or whatever. We checked with Joshua's school. They're saying the school was not flooded, so we're just hoping the route isn't either, because last night Atlanta got flooded out downtown very badly and on the highway. So I'm gonna have my morning coffee, and yeah, I'll see you guys a little bit later. Joshua's having his breakfast. Say good morning, YouTube.
Good morning, YouTube.
He's having little apples. Have a good day. Okay. Mommy, see you later. I made your coffee, but your other cup is not up there. You have to use that one. Yeah. Okay, sorry, y'all. It's not going to be much filming today because my husband does not want to drive. So, therefore, I'm going to be doing the driving. And I don't have a phone holder. So, I'm going to have to go grab another one. But, all right. See y'all soon. We again. Yep. Headed next, guys. The Dollar Tree. I have to do my Valentine's Day shopping. Okay, we are back home, guys. Whew, we're finally back. Hey, guys. Let me put my stuff down. Hey, family. So, I did a couple things downstairs. I'm sorry. It's much, much later. I'm not going to be able to do what I said I was going to do with you guys upstairs. So, what we're going to do, I'm going to wrap up today. Because I just got in so late, went on the truck with Hubs. I'm tired and I'm about to take these clothes off. So we came home and put some things up and did some other things and then had to go back out. And so I just got so tired. But what we're going to do tomorrow is we will put the tree decoration up and we're going to take down the garland there and put on, I only got like 2 things. I'm just going, because I have some other little things from last year and I'm going to just put that on there. Just want a little something. I'm also thinking about bringing the tree down And off of that desk back there, because it's actually on my desk. So I just have to figure out how to rearrange the office space of where I want it, because I still want it in my background, because yeah, she's a permanent part of this office space. But anyhow, ladies, I'm tired. I'm going to redo the video for the purse extenders. The video came out, and when I realized the music was too loud, I already had gotten rid of the footage, and I had an issue with my iCloud. So at that point, I was like, what the heck? I was gonna let it keep running, but like after 2 or 3 people saying the music was loud, which I already had posted it in the video saying that, like the title, but you know, I get it. People still probably didn't understand why I said loud music, but I just took it down because I said, you know what, those views are gone. If they want to watch the new one, if not, it is what it is. I'm going to redo it because that's just not the quality work I want to put out. So I'm going to redo that for you guys, and then yeah, we'll keep it moving with these vlogs and stuff. But your girl is tired. I'm going to go and get me some rest so that I can have a better day tomorrow. But anyway, had a great day today, but just super busy. Like, I feel like my husband kidnapped me, you know. And although, you know, there was lots of treats thrown in for me, I had a really good time, and it was to my benefit being with them all day. I just was like, okay, you took up some of my, you know, I wasn't able to vlog a lot. And then when I got back here, I thought I was going to be able to, and I couldn't, but it's okay. It's all good. I really thoroughly enjoyed the day. So anyways, you guys have a great night. I'll see you guys tomorrow, which will be Thursday, okay? All right, see y'all later. This is what it is, guys, to pass out. A little popcorn, coffee, and a good movie. That's the movie. Joshua wants pancake, guys. Welcome back to another day. So I'm making him pancakes at basically 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And he's eating his applesauce right now. This is the pancake mix we use. I love this. It's light and fluffy. It really has a good taste. Just add water. So, all right. I'll see y'all shortly. Happy with your pancake?
Yes, I'm on board.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it up for you.
Wow.
All right, I'm about to help Joshua do his homework. He does it on ABC Mouse, and then I'm popping a pizza in the oven because he wants pizza. So by the time this gets done, hopefully he is done.
No, I'm not done.
You're not done? Okay. All right, I'll let y'all see the Costco pizza when it's finished. All right, you'll get it. That's funny. Okay, so the Boss's pizza is done. It is good and toasty. We're gonna go ahead and cut it. And I'll get it all sliced up evenly. Amen. Okay. So here's my slice. This is my salad. He's having 2 slices. He stopped his homework for a moment. And then I'm going to fix mine. This is the Caesar salad, and I'm going to dump all the stuff into the bowl. If I could get it apart. It's nice in proportion. It even comes with the little fork. I like this little fork. Cute, cute, cute. And there we go. Let's peel it off. And we're gonna dump. This is chicken and cheese. I would love to add onion to it, but I'm going to leave it alone. So I'm gonna put my sauce on there and mix it up. And I'm gonna give Joshua a little bit of salad too. All right, so here's mine. And Joshua is having some sparkling cider in the place of soda with his
Blue cup.
Blue cup. Your favorite blue cup.
That's my color.
Oh, you said that's my color. You might as well say that's my jam. All right, we're gonna enjoy our dinner, guys. We'll see you later. Joshua's on his third slice and he's eating it with the salad on top of there.
Pizza.
It's good?
Uh-huh.
Good job. All right.
Good job.
Hilarious. Look who took over the rest of my salad. Little greedy butt.
Well, you have some cheese.
Yeah, there's cheese in there.
You eat cheese.
I don't want. He gonna tell me I eat cheese.
Well.
Joshua said, "Get out my business." Happy Friday, y'all. I know my hair is looking a little cray-cray. I just jumped back in the car. So the boss is gone to school. Dropped him off. And now y'all won't believe I left the phone holder in the other ride. So I'm still holding y'all in my hands, so I'm not gonna be able to talk to you guys long. All right, I'm doing something with Hubs with the trucks, but I will, he and I probably grab a little bit of breakfast, and then I'll be bringing y'all that video with the, something is scratching right here. I don't know what it is, but I'll be bringing you guys the video that I'm redoing for the purse straps, guys. I'm trying. So, all right, Hubs is coming, so let me jump off. I hope everybody's having a happy Friday, Freaky Friday, whatever Friday you like, you know. All right, guys, I'm back at the house. I am making some coffee. Y'all see the creamer in there already? I am putting half and half in my coffee these days. So, I do have my other one, but I'm probably going to freeze it because I've switched over to half and half. So, and then we'll jump into what we're going to do for the rest of the day. So here's my coffee, and I'm having a few strips of bacon, guys, and then we will get to the next situation. Okay, ladies, this is what I opened in the last video. I told you I was short in the vlog. This is to help me put on my lashes. It's called Lash Buddy. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So I am going to show you, I just did a video for you guys on these Nolitas with the chains, but now I want to show you guys how I decorated the beauty room for Valentine's Day. Let's get it, let's go. Okay, so y'all know that is my little coffee bar area. Those are some flowers that I got one Valentine's Day. I put my Juicy Couture accessories here with my red Nolita. So I'm doing pink and red. Okay. And here's my mini tree. And I left cupcakes on it, and I took off the Christmas ornaments. And then I moved my other tree and I brought it down. And here we have just some hearts, another Juicy Couture SLG on there. I added love to the tree, and it's topped with a heart. And as you come back, we go over here. I just put some of my Valentine's Day inspired pieces. I probably will add some more over there. I really do not have a lot of red at all, so this is the time of the year that I would get to enjoy this. So just wanted to add a little, and I actually am going to change out this cup. I have Valentine's Day cups from last year. Let me grab those. Okay, I have swapped it out for the cups. These cups were left over from last year. I added that heart to the sleeve that comes with it, and they are disposable cups. But yeah, just a little something. I'll be doing this throughout the year. Whatever holiday come up, I will adjust my tree. This beauty is year round. And I did not want too much. This is all I wanted. They had so much decor. I almost got a bear to go on here. And then I said, no, let me just leave it alone. And these are two different colors. Not sure if you can tell That one's red, that one is like a fuchsia, and then the deep red. And I still have some of my purse accessories on it. So it makes it a little fun to be in here when I'm recording, when I make it festive for whatever's going on through the year. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. Let's get into the rest of the video. Hey family, welcome back to the dinner segment. So I am going to be making some curry chicken tonight. This is chopped up chicken breast. So I'm actually over here right where my seasonings are. Okay guys, here is, it's cooking now. That's my curry chicken. It's so tasty. Y'all know I already had a little snippet of it. Little taste. It's good. And then there is the rice. And I'm gonna also have some salad with it. And I've already started drinking my water. Okay, this is my portion, guys. I'm having 1 cup of rice. That one's Hub's. The boss is home eating pizza already. And so I'm about to, the food, I was just letting that sit a bit, but I'm about to make that plate. Okay guys, here's my overall plate. Cup of rice, curry chicken, and then the rest over this side of the plate I have salad, and there's my water, and we're about to eat. It's my Friday night dessert. It is half a piece of tiramisu cake. I hope this is not torture, guys. I hope it's not torture. I'm trying to eat just a half, but we'll see.